Question 6 is 4 marks. You can always pause and try it yourself. The first part says, write down the inequality shown on the number line. So this inequality up there. How do we do this? The first and the easiest way is just write these numbers on the sides. So this here and there. So it's 1, -2. And then ask yourself, is the value of x more than 1? Is it going up there? No, it's going there. So that means x is less than 1. And because it's shaded here, it's less than or equals. Now let's look at the -2. Is it going less than -2 or more than -2? It's going to be more because it's going towards the positive numbers. And that's it. It's not shaded, so we won't add the equal sign. Now let's look at the second part. The second part says solve this inequality. Let's write it down. 7a minus 5 is less than or equals to 3a plus 28. You need to have all the a's on one side and the numbers on the other side. So I'll do minus 3a on both sides. Why? To cancel this a. So this a here is gone now. On the left side, I have 7a minus 3a, which is 4a, minus 5 is less than or equals to 28. What do I do next? I get rid of the 5. How? I do plus 5. Now what happened to that 5? It's gone. Bye. What do I have on the left side? I just have 4a is less than or equals to 28 plus 5 is 33. That's good. Are we done? No, we need to find a. So what do? We divide by 4. We divide by 4. This is gone. So that gives me a is less than or equals to 33 divided by 4. 4 goes into 33 8 times, and the leftover is 1/4. That's an answer. You can also say 8 is less than or equals to 8.25 if you use your calculator. It's both correct. And that's your 4 marks for this question. How was it? Was it easy? Now question 7. Everyone loses these marks. Change a speed of 50 x meters per